Welcome to English Learners, a reliable English literature platform. 50 English Literature MCQs covering all periods. Question number 1. The epic role belongs to which period? Correct option is A. Old English period. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of English history writing? Correct option is B. Bede. Question number 3. The Canterbury Tales was written by. Correct option is C. Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 4. Piers Plowman is an elegiacal poem by. Correct option is D. William Langland. Question number 5. Who wrote Utopia? Correct option is B. Sir Thomas More. Question number 6. The Fairy Queen is written by. Correct option is D. Edmund Spenser. Question number 7. Which play is not written by Shakespeare? Correct option is B. Dr. Faustus. Question number 8. Who is considered the leader of the Metaphysical Poets? Correct option is C. John Donne. Question number 9. Metaphysical poetry is famous for. Correct option is D. Conceits and wit. Question number 10. The Restoration Age began in. Correct option is C. 1660. Question number 11. Absalom and Achitophel was written by. Correct option is B. John Dryden. Question number 12. Alexander Pope is famous for. Correct option is D. Mock epics. Question number 13. The Rape of the Lock is an example of. Correct option is C. Mock epic. Question number 14. The Romantic Age started in. Correct option is B. 1789. Question number 15. Lyrical Ballads was written by Wordsworth and. Correct option is D. Coleridge. Question number 16. Who wrote Ode to a Nightingale? Correct option is C. John Keats. Question number 17. Charles Dickens is associated with which period? Correct option is B. Victorian. Question number 18. Middlemarch was written by. Correct option is D. George Eliot. Question number 19. Alfred Tennyson was. Correct option is C. Poet Laureate of Victorian Age. Question number 20. In Memoriam was written by. Correct option is B. Tennyson. Question number 21. The Wasteland is written by. Correct option is C. T.S. Eliot. Question number 22. Stream of consciousness technique is used by. Correct option is D. Virginia Woolf. Question number 23. A Passage to India was written by. Correct option is B. E.F. Forster. Question number 24. Sons and Lovers is a novel by. Correct option is D. D.H. Lawrence. Question number 25. Waiting for Godot belongs to. Correct option is C. Absurd drama. Question number 26. Who wrote Waiting for Godot? Correct option is B. Samuel Beckett. Question number 27. Animal Farm is written by. Correct option is B. George Orwell. Question number 28. Lord of the Flies was written by. Correct option is C. William Golding. Question number 29. A poem mourning the dead is called. Correct option is B. Elegy. Question number 30. A 14-line poem is known as. Correct option is C. Sonnet. Question number 31. The Old Man and the Sea was written by. Correct option is D. Ernest Hemingway. Question number 32. Leaves of Grass is written by. Correct option is C. Walt Whitman. Question number 33. Crime and Punishment was written by. Correct option is B. Dostoevsky. Question number 34. The Trial is written by. Correct option is C. Kafka. Question number 35. Hamlet is A. Correct option is C. Tragedy. Question number 36. Shakespeare belonged to the. Correct option is D. Elizabethan Age. Question number 37. Who introduced the term negative capability? Correct option is C. Keats. Question number 38. Paradise Lost was written by. Correct option is B. Milton. Question number 39. Pride and Prejudice was written by. Correct option is B. Jane Austen. Question number 40. Wuthering Heights was written by. Correct option is D. Emily Bronte. Question number 41. The heroic couplet was popularized by. Correct option is B. Pope. Question number 42. Ulysses was written by. Correct option is C. Joyce. Question number 43. Hard Times deals with. Correct option is C. Industrial Society. Question number 44. Who wrote Dr. Faustus? Correct option is C. Marlowe. Question number 45. The Tempest is considered a. Correct option is B. Romance. Question number 46. Gothic novel is associated with. Correct option is B. Romanticism. Question number 47. Who wrote the Canterbury Tales? Correct option is C. Chaucer. Question number 48. Symbolism is a key feature of. Correct option is D. Modernism. Question number 49. Things Fall Apart was written by. Correct option is B. Chinua Achebe. Question number 50. Literature written after World War II is called. Correct option is D. Postmodern.